Hi, I'm Kyle. I'm one of the crew leads here on our special service side. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust a Girard awning. After some time using your awning or having climate change, it's very common for these awnings to have to get adjusted. With our awning actually being retracted right now, we're still getting a signal on our screen that's showing awning deployed. That's where we know we need to go make adjustments. The best way to adjust your awning is either using a lateral lift or a regular ladder. Just remember to always use safety, whatever device you're using. So while adjusting your awning, have someone on the inside actually pull the awning out about 1.5 feet or 2 feet, make it stop, and then we're going to actually adjust it and make it tighter. It's a fairly simple process to adjust your awning. You have a tool right here. It's either a 4mm or a 5/32. Either one's going to work. There's arrows on your awning. Up here, there's 2 arrows. One is going out and one is going in towards the awning. You want to take your tool and go to the arrow that's going in. Adjust it 1/4 inch at each time. I'm going to have my helper on the inside of the truck pull this back in, and we're going to make sure our adjustments are correct. It is a lot easier to also have another set of hands with you doing this. What we should do next is go to the IntelliTouch screen and make sure that the deployed is off. After making our adjustments outside to retract it a little more, we can now see that on our screen it is showing that it's not deployed. So as you can see, that was a fairly simple process in order to complete. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact our service department.